You are falling into a black hole, and you cannot feel it yet. You are moving faster than anything on Earth, and physics says you will not survive this trip. First, your body will stretch into a thin line. Then time itself breaks down, second by second, all the way down into the dark. But let us be clear about what is actually ahead of you. A black hole is not an empty space. It is an object so incredibly dense that gravity has folded the universe completely around it. At its edge is the event horizon, not a wall, not a surface, just an invisible line in space. Cross it, and to escape you would need to travel faster than light itself. And nothing, not you, not light, not even information, can do that. So the moment you cross it, your fate is sealed. The universe has already decided how this ends. Now gravity goes to work on your body. Here's the problem. Your feet are closer to the black hole than your head, and gravity pulls harder the closer you get. The difference is small at first, but it grows fast. Your feet are pulled down harder than your head, so your body begins to stretch. Then it stretches more and more. Scientists have a name for this. They call it spaghettification. You are pulled into a thin strand of matter, atom by atom, while being crushed inward from the sides. In a small black hole, this happens before you ever reach the center. You would be torn apart by gravity itself. But here's where it gets stranger. Imagine someone watching you fall from a safe distance. To them, you never actually fall in. As you approach the horizon, time around you slows down. You appear to move slower and slower. Your light stretches, turning red, then dimmer, then fading. To the outside universe, you freeze at the edge forever. A frozen image, slowly going dark. But for you feel none of that. You fall straight through the horizon without noticing a thing. Two completely different stories of the same moment, both true at once. This is time dilation. Near a black hole, time itself stops agreeing with itself. Now, not every black hole kills you the same way. In a giant one, a supermassive black hole, millions of times heavier than our sun, the event horizon is so vast that you could cross it gently. No stretching, no pain. You might not even know the exact moment you pass the point of no return. You'd float inward, calm, the stars warping into a strange ring of light behind you. But don't let the calm fool you. Gentle or violent, the ending is the same. You are still falling toward the one place in the universe we cannot explain. Ahead of you is the Singularity, a point where everything that has ever fallen in is crushed into a space smaller than an atom. Here, gravity becomes infinite, density becomes infinite, and the rules that run our entire universe simply stop working. Every equation we have breaks down. We genuinely do not know what is on the other side. So this is how it ends. Stretched into a thread, frozen in time to the watching universe, falling toward a point that physics cannot describe. No human will ever make this journey and come back to tell it. But here's the strange beauty of it. The black hole is not just destroying you. It's showing us the exact place where everything we know about reality runs out. Somewhere past that horizon is an answer we don't have yet. Maybe the end of space and time. Maybe a door to something we can't imagine. The universe is far stranger than it lets on. And the deepest questions are still waiting. In the dark. If you want to keep exploring the parts of the universe that shouldn't make sense, this is the place. Stay curious.